Hello and welcome to Forex.Academy, your #1 website for Forex and crypto education and analysis. In today's edition, we're going to be discussing trading algorithms part 2, from ideas to code. As we have already said, computers need specific instruction. We need to explain everything to them very carefully. Digital computers are binary. They only understand ones and zeros and nothing else. Compilers and interpreters. To make our lives easier, we have created interpreters and compilers, able to translate our ideas into binary. Basically, both do the same job. Compilers produce a binary file that a computer can later execute, whereas interpreters translate each instruction as it comes in real time. From idea to algorithm. Usually, traders think about when to enter and exit trades. An example brought by George Pruitt in his book The Ultimate Algorithmic Trading System Toolbox is the following. A trader wanted a code to enter the market and told him, buy when the market closes above a 200-day moving average, and then starts to trend downward while the RSI bottoms out below 20 and starts moving up. The sell short side is the opposite. No computer would understand that. In this case, the idea was partially defined though. To buy when the price was above the 200-day SMA and the RSI crosses down below the 20. But what did he mean by downward trend, or starts moving up? Pseudocode. The first step to make a trading algorithm is to create an approximation to the code using plain English, but with more concise wording. In the example above, Pruitt said that he could translate the above sentence into the following pseudocode after some calls to his client. The number inside the bracket represents the close X days before the current session, thus 1 is yesterday's close. In the pseudocode, close below close 1 and close 1 below close 2 and close 2 below close 3 is the definition of a downward trend, but we could define it differently. What's important is that the computer doesn't know what a downward trend is, and every concept needed for this purpose should be defined, such as a moving average, RSI, and so forth. The code. The next thing we need to do is to move the pseudocode to the actual code. There are several languages devised for trading. MT4 and 5 offers MQL4 and 5, which are variants of C++, with a complete library for trading. Another popular language is Easy Language, created by TradeStation, which is also compatible with other platforms such as multicharts. Another popular language among quants is Python, a terrific high-level language with extensive libraries to design and test trading systems. The code snippet presented here is a Python function that translates the above code idea. In this case, the myBuy function must be told the actual asset to buy, which should point to the asset's historical data. It checks for a buy condition. If true, it will return a label for the buy and the level to perform the buy, the next open of the asset in this case. Systematic or discretionary. The steps from idea to pseudocode to code is critical. If you do not have a working algorithm, there is no way you could create a systemic trading system, but this is only the beginning. Creating a successful automated trading system is very hard and involves many cycles of developing, testing, and optimizing. The market shifts its condition, and your system will not always perform. Then you have to ask yourself if you'll endure the drawdown stage until the market comes in sync with the system again. Some systemic traders think that the best way to attack the market is to have a basket of uncorrelated trading systems, which are in tune with the market's different stages: low volatility trend, high volatility trend, low volatility sideways, and high volatility sideways, so your risk and reward is an average of them all. In the coming videos, we will dissect the steps to create an automated trading system. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, then please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below about anything you would like us to discuss in future, or if you have any questions about this particular video. Have a great day.